over to my house and we're filming a really cool YouTube video at their house, so I should buy some really cool stuff. Let's get squishies and slime. Yeah. I don't know what website to go on. I found the perfect website. Sparkalicious.com. Let's see. Wait. I see that there is a bunch of cool like squishies and slimes. Let's go check that out. So I need to write stuff down. Let's see. There's a bunch of cool stuff. Let's see. Oh, this and that. That. Of course that. Oh yes, this. Let's see. Oh yeah, this. That's a really good price. And wow, it goes up to $630. But that's a really high price. But they say that they have the best squishies and the best slime. So I'm definitely gonna check them out. And the order is done.
Do we have any more orders? Yes, I have one. It's from a boy, and he said he wants like a bunch of stuff for this cool party he's throwing, and he said he's gonna do a review on it, so that'll be really cool. And hopefully, yeah. Wow, he ordered a lot of stuff. Whoa. I don't think I have everything, but I'll try my best, I guess. Because let's see the price. $630? That's a lot. That's definitely gonna get me out of my grandma's basement. So let's go get the order. Let's see what he's ordering. A Valentine donut. Okay, I think I have that. A skeleton sack. I definitely don't have that. When did I even come up with that anyways? A super unicorn? Super unicorn? Oh my god, I don't even have one. Well, I do have one that's really ripped, and, well, I have two. One's super cool and super slow rising, but I'll just give them the ripped one because, you know, yeah, I want the better one, you know? And then a 32-ounce purple glitter slime. I don't even have one, but, yeah. Okay, so this is their order. Valentine donut. I have a really, really good Valentine donut. I mean, I have two. This one's so good. And this one, like, the face is, you know, they are paying a lot of money for this. So I have to. Unless I want to give this one. It's not even donut. And this one falls out. No, this one's way too slow rising and way too good. This one, okay. And then next one is skeleton sack. No one even has a skeleton sack. What the heck is that? Oh. I mean, I have this. And it's like, but there is a rip in it. No, I'll just have to, like, you know, tape it up. It's fine. It's a sack, I mean. And it's Halloween. So, that'll have to do. Limited edition jumbo ice cream. I do have a mini ice cream. It's not jumbo, but it's cute. But this one's way too cute to give away. So, this one's bigger than this one, but it does have a lot of defects. Whatever. Okay, then there's a super like unicorn. This is my only unicorn. Maybe I should find him a better one, but nah. There is a lot of defects in this, like a lot. But that'll just have to do. 32-ounce purple glitter. What the heck? They're paying $501? Oops. Well, I guess... Oh, I have this putty, but it's so pretty and it's 2-layered. But yet again, $501. I mean, and they don't even mix together. So this'll just have to do. Oh, and... Oh, wait! I forgot. You know that one that I really liked? I have a super mini version, and guess what? It's not even a squishy, but it's a Shopkin. I hope they like Shopkins. And it's pretty cute, and it seems really rare, so yeah, that'll just have to do. Okay, let's get a package for it and send them right into the mail. I found this random bucket, and it's kind of weird, but I found an extra, and it's not even squishy, so it's cute anyways. I found another extra slime because maybe they'll put another extra star if they rate it bad, because these are not the best, but who cares? At least I get the good ones. Okay, and then we have the 32-ounce slime, glitter slime, and we have the, oh wait, and I forgot, it's color changing, so maybe they'll put it as an extra point as well, an extra rating. And then we have the really cute Jumbo Donut Valentine. Yeah, they'll love this one. And then the skeleton scat. Then yeah. And I hope they like this one because it literally took me so long to make this, but yeah. Onto the shipping they go.
My order basket that I just ordered. Oh, and it comes with my order sheet. Wait a minute, what the heck is this? Oh yeah, it's an extra. This is even an extra too. Let's see. This is not my super unicorn leg. It's all ripped up. What the heck is this? This isn't even slime. This is putty. And this isn't even an ounce or 32 ounce. This isn't even a squishy. This is filled with tissue paper. This is a skeleton. This is supposed to be a squishy and it's a skeleton sack. Can't see. This isn't even a donut. This is a Shopkin and it isn't a squishy. This is supposed to be the Valentine donut. I think I wasted all my money on this. What the heck? Let's see how good this slime is. Oh, this is so hard. What the heck is this slime? It's not even slime. It's just a covered bottle on top. It was just like this. Oh, you can just rip it off and there's nothing inside it. Bummer. What's in here? It's probably like nothing. This feels good. That person. It's so hard here. Oh, I can't even. I'm never ordering from this place again. See, skeleton sack. This feels full of tissue paper. This thing, I spent it. Let's see this. I spent it. Wait a minute. $30 on this donut? I mean cupcake? This place is getting shut down forever. My name is Harrison, and I want a refund.
Excuse me, sir. First of all, you can't talk to me like that. And second of all, if you looked on my website, then you could see that we do not have refunds.
I'm gonna sue you if you don't get me a refund.
Yeah, sue me? Go ahead and try.
Hello? Hello?
Hi, Felicia.
You hanged up on me. What the heck?
So I just got like the randomest call from like the boy named Harrison. He said he hated his stuff. And like, did you see? My stuff is high quality. Like, what the heck? Like, why would he even call me? Like, he said he was gonna like sue me. Like, not even possible. Like, try, honey, but you're not going to succeed. Like, no duh. Like, So, go ahead, go ahead and sue me, but you're never going to succeed and you're never going to try. And then I just said, bye, Felicia, and I hung up. So, yeah. Looks like this review isn't going to be a good one. Bye, guys! I hope you like this, the life of a slime / squishy scammer video. And, yeah,
Subscribe.
turn on that notification bell and comment down below.
Whatever you want to do.
What? No, comment down below. Oh my god, my hair is a mess. Comment down below if you wanted us to do a part 2. So, yeah. Peace out.